Welcome back to Flava Station, where we'll be making these beautiful, golden, delicious, juicy, succulent lemon pepper wings. Let's go!
Flava Station. Flava Station.
Right, first you're gonna need a chopping board, a big bowl. I'll get my little red one out for raw meat. Your chicken wings, you can leave these whole, but we're gonna wash them, we're gonna prep them, we're gonna sort them out to flats and drums, yeah? Wash the chicken first, slice it, see it there? Straight through the knuckle, boom. Straight through, I'll show you again, see it there? Straight through the knuckle, bang, see it? Yeah, man, nice. Now they're all done, we're gonna wash the meat, just to sanitize them, get rid of any gunky stuff. I mean, a lot of people don't like to wash their chicken. I think you're dirty if you don't. And you're sick if you do. Liquid vinegar, cold water, lemon juice. Just give them a little swirl around. Use gloves if you're iffy and sticky, you know? These get kicked around on factory floors and all sorts. You don't know where they've been. Look, you don't want that in the food. Technically, yeah, cooking kills all bacteria. Look how clean it looks now. You got to pattern the thing. If you like chicken, like this video. Love you lot. Now, pestle and mortar, lemon, thyme, some all-purpose seasoning, Dunn's River, you don't know, some salt, I use pink Himalayan, less sodium, some whole black peppercorns to give it that proper punch, white pepper ground, garlic powder. Now, black peppercorns in there, these are so pungent and so fragrant. That's why I like to use the whole ones. You can just shake it, about a tablespoon of each, I'd say, and then a teaspoon of salt. Lemon, zest the whole thing, straight in there. Come on, man. Yeah, boy. Make sure you get all that zest in there. That's going to give it that proper, not bitter, but lemony. The lemon oil's going to come out of that rind and just give it the business. Give it the grind, baby. Grind on me. Mash that up. Lovely jubbly. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Hit the like and the ding dong. Now, there's your spice mix. Lovely jubbly. Chicken. Bang that straight on there. Yeah, boy. Now, wipe down your dirty pig. Dirty ass, yeah. And remember, if you don't have a pestle and mortar, you can use a blender or just crush it with something else. Now, we're not done there. We're not finished there, folks. Lemon juice in there. We ain't just stopping with no spice rub. Filippo Berry olive oil. Couple tablespoons in there. Now, honey. We ain't stopping with just a spice rub. We ain't amateurs, you know. This is going to be the sickest lemon pepper chicken you've ever had in your life. Some smoked, flaked Maldon's sea salt. You can just use smoked salt or smoked seasoning or smoked paprika even. Gives it that lovely, it gives it depth, trust me. Trust me. Fresh thyme, that's from Sainsbury's, that's the good. It was only 60p as well. I thought I was going to get fleeced for this something. So yeah, plenty of time in there. We got plenty of time, baby. Now look at that. Can you smell it? Just give it a mix. Mixer. You got to combine these things properly. Don't waste no juice, no spice, no nothing. Mix! Yeah, man. Now we're all mixed, combined. Look at that. Covered. Lovely. We're going to marinate this overnight. You can just bang it straight in the oven and then char it, but I do it overnight, 2 days sometimes, as long as possible for me. Just get a good look at that. Oh my days. Now, I always transfer into a bowl that just fits in your fridge nice, innit? I got OCD. Make sure you get all that juice in there. Look, pan this up, no brethren. Oh my days. And the best thing about this lemon pepper chicken, it ain't no fried thing. It's healthier, yeah? In your fridge, overnight, bow. The next day. Now, we're going to preheat our oven to 200 on full oven. Yeah, man. Nice and clean. Now, your chicken comes out the fridge. Open it up. Give it a whiff. Lovely. Look at it. Come on, man. Let me lead you. Roasting bags. Very important. If you ain't got roasting bags, use a deep dish and foil it. It's going to help it steam and cook. Then we're going to finish it on a char grill. If you ain't got a char grill or a panini press like I'm using, then you can just use like a frying pan or a barbecue. It's that simple. Bang them straight in the bag. This next step is very, very, very important. Get that juice in there. That's your lemon juice and your honey. and all your seasoning that's melted, get that in there. Little bit of chicken juice, but never mind. Now wrap up your bag or put on your foil. I'm normally sick at these, which is taking me a while, but we move. Yeah, nice and tight. Now just make sure if you are using a bag or a tray, make sure that there's something, every wing is flat to the ground. Don't pile them up. You want them to cook evenly together. Bang them in the oven for 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes. See them a bubble out here. Because what you want, you see, you want that bone pull. You want them to come straight off the bone, that meat falling off. You don't have to chew it off the bone, rip it off. Panini press. Here we go. Now, open up. Yes, there we are. I'm going to use this, collects the fat, and I can use the fat to, and the juice. Oh my days. We're going to baste. We're going to baste. Chicken out of the oven after 40 minutes. Open her up. Look, pan this up. Looks colourless at the minute. It won't though. Now look at the chicken. See how the chicken's just, flaking off. If it doesn't do that, bang it back in uncovered for 10 minutes. It'll be fine. Load up your hot grill. Oh my, this is lovely. Now they're loaded, we're going to utilise all flavour. Get that on there. What this will do, you see, you're going to baste in all those juices, right? It's going to evaporate, the liquid will evaporate, the fat will emulsify, the sugars will caramelise, and that's how you get that lovely glaze on there. You know when you bite into it and it's like sticky and just sticks to your teeth a bit, but in a really nice way. That's how you get that. But it takes effort, it takes patience, it takes skill. But I'm teaching you the skills right now. So be patient. Couple of minutes each time until you start to feel that sticky. Start to see that, see it there? See all the sticky bits around the edges? Now we're talking. Oh, can we get a closer look in there? Look on this something, brethren. Nobody tell me nothing about no chicken and season and reason. Nobody can touch me with this something, you know. Top chef out here. Look on the glaze. Oh my days. Now the beautiful thing about this, all that juice, the grill I've got, has reduced and turned into a gravy, which is caught in the sauce tray, right? It called a sauce tray on the thing, on the packet. I think it's just a drip tray. But we move. That's going to be our little sauce. We're going to drizzle over for that extra moisture. But look at it. Can we just admire it? Let's admire it. Moment of silence for all these dead chefs out here. And we're back. Commiserations. Right, now we're going to plate up. Get a nice little artisan plate. Old type the missus. Buy me these lovely little plates she gets me. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lovely lunch. 6, 7. Not messing. 8, 9. Rah. 10 wings, you know. 11 wings, you know. 12 wings, you know. Ah! Little mint yogurt I bought from the shop. £1. The range. Lovely stuff when you can't be bothered. Little fresh coriander from Pack stores. Lovely stuff. 45p for that big bunch. Put that over there. Oh man. Need I say more? Look at it. Oh, caramelized, sticky. It's gonna fall off the bone. Look at that. Juicy. Juicy. Juicy fruit, mate. Look at that bone pull. Oh, yes. Yes. Just falling off the bone. Absolutely wonderful. Don't forget to tap like on this video. It's really helpful for us. It would be very much appreciated. Now, the pièce de résistance. Liquor sauce. And this isn't just oil. This is all them juices reduced down. Look. Oh, yeah, man. Just give it that extra liquor something. The je ne sais quoi. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye. Oh, wait, no, not bye. Watch that. Get a playlist. Subscribe in the middle. Thanks for watching. Flava Chase up.